Love in life. My name is Victoria. This is my wife Regina. And this is our sunny boy.
Thank you, and thank you, Lord.
Yeah, and we're sorry for the noise. We're filming in Chipotle, so it's quite loud here.
And this is our beautiful burrito. This is chicken burrito, and this is beef steak bowl, and this is Ariel top pork. Pork.
But it is a burrito.
It's burrito and guac. We have to have guac, of course. So yeah, and we're sharing with Regina bowl and this.
Wait.
No, don't open it.
No, I can't. That was the only way to even get it out.
Okay.
This is actually that's the only way to get it out.
Show them.
Let me show you. There. See? And then what I'll do, I'll wrap it for you in the bottom.
In the bottom,
so the sauce won't drip on you.
Yeah. This is amazing. Cheers. It's not spicy. I didn't do it spicy really.
Thank you.
I did spicy on this one, but only on the side, that it won't touch everything.
Chicken is very good. Delicious, wow.
This is delicious actually.
It is amazing.
Can you help me open it? Thank you, honey.
You're asking, is it better than Taco Del Mar?
Is it? And this is Tabasco.
I'm asking you guys. Is this better than Taco Del Mar? Your opinion?
It's different.
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure. It's different.
I think I like Taco Del Mar.
Taco Del Mar had lots of options to add to your burrito. Here it's way less.
Yeah. I love the flavor of each of those ingredients, but there is not as much as variety as you can do there for sure.
But the tortilla is different.
I like this. I never tried the green one.
Lime,
It's
green pepper.
green pepper and lime, and it's pretty nice. It's sourish, so
Is it spicy?
it is spicy. Not overly, but spicy for sure.
I like it. It's good. I like that it has rice inside, beans inside, packed all this stuff. I would love if they could have an option to add onion.
Fresh onion.
The thing is, I like it better in there because there's like only onion or only tomato, but this one's kind of like salad.
You can have salad as well, like not salad, but like spicy and chopped.
No, I meant like mix it.
No, it's
Like
not-
this
it's
one
not
is all
salsa,
mixes, not
It's called salsa.
single.
Fresh salsa.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm dropping stuff too.
Thank you, Anya.
You're welcome.
I want to try guac. Can I try guac? I want to try guac. Nice. It's onion. I would add a little bit more lemon or lime to the deal. It's hard to eat those things. They're so big.
They're flimsy. They keep falling from the side. And you try to grab them and you're holding them. You're touching the food all over.
Mine's not a half. We're fine.
Yeah, because I don't have rice.
No, because I have no half.
Know what?
And yours would cut in half to squeeze it all
Yeah.
out. Mine's whole, so when I bite it, nothing squeezes out. But now it's just even when it goes down.
You have less things there. You have lots of what do you have inside? Because you have different. He has
I have ground shredded pork that really tastes like chicken.
shredded pork. He
Lettuce,
has
cheese, tomato, salad thing. I don't know what else.
no rice or beans.
No rice over here.
And no sour cream.
No way.
Don't you think that I can say that even half is very filling? We took bowl, but I think that it's very filling for the lunch.
I have a full one.
I'm not stuffed yet. I don't know what she's talking about. It's filling you partially, but not done yet.
The one full one will fill you for sure.
Well, this is definitely filling me up. What's that?
Just a sec. No. Start eating.
It's hard. They're really falling. Do I mix it? What do I do with it?
You can eat it like this because there's everything on the spread. On this I have a spicy.
Oh, there's no. They don't give you the tortilla.
No,
Yeah.
No, this is salad. This is not nachos.
it's a bowl.
These are not nachos.
Nice.
To save on your carbs.
You see? I want to show. You see? I have meat, tomato sauce, some what else? Rice on the bottom,
Oh, there's rice.
and the extra sauce. Yeah, there is still rice on the bottom.
Oh, there it is.
You see, there is extra rice on the bottom. It's a bowl.
Let's try to eat it gracefully.
Yeah, right.
It'd be so much easier if I was left-handed. I
Wow.
think.
It's spicy. Oh,
It'd be easier now if you're left-handed.
Yeah.
Not in general.
I don't know. I think in general it doesn't matter. But when you eat side by side, it's definitely easier.
yeah. That's why we ate a lot with my brother from one. He's left-handed.
It's really nice.
I like this way more.
Then the burrito?
Burrito is fun and all, but I really like this.
This one is nice. I like burrito too. The only thing I miss is the red onion that I couldn't add into my burrito. I feel it's under onion. Like that pungent that onion
think
gives you,
onion-
that a little extra kick, it's
We
totally
need onion
upgrades it.
here as well, though.
Yes.
I feel.
Yes, it seems like the common theme is missing onion. Because they put onion in the tomato salsa, but it's tomato salad. I don't know. Is it salsa or salad?
It's salsa. It's called salsa.
But definitely under onion.
You have a beautiful one. He doesn't have any beans or any.
No.
Oh, sorry. Beans you didn't have. Trash.
No. Or cream cheese or rice.
Sour cream. Sour cream.
There's how we made it.
We're drinking good one. And that's pretty healthy. He has extra lettuce. He has 2 helpings of lettuce because he loves it.
You'll enjoy it?
Yeah, it's nice.
If you let me reach, I'll reach for the water. Oh, we're matchy today. Oh,
You're cute. I didn't know that.
pure coincidence.
Coincidence.
Eat, honey. I'm eating.
The steak is really good actually. I wasn't sure about the steak. It's really good. Next time I need to try vegan one. The
Tofu one?
The tofu one. I just tofu bowl. I really wanted to try it one day. I love tofu.
You do.
And I'm trying to find more ways.
And it seems like we just got here on time because there's so many more people coming all the time. You want to try the tofu?
Yeah, I want to try one time the tofu. Because I'm trying to find new ways to cook tofu, and I think that will be very nice. With Mexican spice and all.
I'm at the last end beat, so now I need to get rid of the foil.
There, nothing there.
Good that I didn't put the spice one all over. It's very spicy, even for me. Like,
Yeah.
I can say it's really spicy. Yeah. Pure honey.
Huh? No.
You see how we differ?
But I ate from the top.
Yeah, and I ate from the
I
side.
ate this way. You
I
ate
ate
that
this
way.
way, yeah.
And I ate that way.
I know. That's how we eat differently.
See, I'm pretty much at the bottom.
I like this bowl. And all those things gave me inspiration. I'm definitely can recreate this type of bowl at home.
Oh, for sure.
The burrito might be harder though.
Why?
How to wrap it?
I can buy burrito. And we need to try how to.
Oh, it's not that complicated.
You can Google it nowadays. How to make perfect burrito wrap.
Huh?
Good.
2 seconds.
I know who's going to do that.
I'll do it. I'll do it. Not a big deal at all.
Very nice.
Mixy.
First time.
1, 2, 3. Mind you, one thing, if you buy this bowl, you have to have a decent coordination. Just to take it, balance it, and put it in your mouth without everything is crashing. It actually takes a little bit of focus.
This is the morning talk. In the evening, you won't hear her talk like this, usually.
No. Keyword. Almost.
Nice. Totally nice. No, I'm good. You can. Yeah.
Make my life easy.
Can I have the water?
Yes, please.
Thanks.
Yeah. It's nice. Good. Thank
You wanna try it?
you.
You wanna try?
The meat?
Wanna try? Just the meat? Alright, it's a steak.
I want pork.
One day I will need to do the tofu one, I think it will be nice. I wanna guac. Guac. avocado, it's one of my nemesis. I love avocado so much. That's incredible. Yeah. Again, sorry for the noises, we're out and about. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. You love your... It's good bowl. It's very good bowl.
I'm enjoying my little burrito.
Little. Little. Yeah. Now it's going to... Ariel is going to finish and...
Are you done? That's a big burrito, huh?
Left-handed come. One-handed. Yeah. So yeah, I think we will finish for today. No, I will. Thank you. Thank you so much for being with us, as
Yeah.
usual. Sorry for the noises, but we're out and about.
Yeah, we couldn't eat this in the car. That would be
No.
just virtually impossible.
Especially the thing.
And even the burrito, it's really would be hard.
Yeah.
So you
It's
come to
really
a dusty
impossible.
restaurant.
And don't forget to subscribe, rate us a comment, thumbs up, and go towards your joy.
Interestingly fun every day.
And see you next time.
See you tomorrow. Bye.